Hi, welcome to the IBRA Institute, the Bioskills Lab that provides you medical and surgical concept for training and education events according to your need. Here, we provide you a lifelike environment like in the OR, where you can improve and advance your practical skills in diagnostic specimens with a simulated clinical case according to your field.
The IBRA Institute offers you 240 square meters of lab for wet and dry education and training concepts, equipped with 12 operational stations with OR illumination. Supported by latest technology in OR instrumentation and power tools, here your concepts became real. We are happy to support your clinical cases and research with innovative imaging solutions on X-ray and computed tomography. IBRA Institute offers lifelike simulated clinical cases for training and education in trauma, ortho, and sports medicine, as for scientific research. Our facility offers full hygiene concepts and services from washing, disinfection, and sterilization of instruments and equipment with final process certificate.
The IBRA Institute has a film studio with customized sets and digital education concepts tailored to your needs. And our portfolio includes streaming surgical videos, interviews, talks, and product reviews. At our reception, you as a participant will find all information about our institute and our services.
With capacity to receive up to 100 participants, we will host you in a comfortable lounge environment that can be customized according to your needs for case discussions, coffee breaks, and catering services.
Walk with us beside medical education, scientific research, and innovation. Together, we make it possible.